Hello everyone, this is David Lewis with another motivational thought to start your week. Do you know why winners succeed? They succeed because they expect it to happen. They build their expectations on the efforts they put into their goals and not into false hopes based on illusions or fantasies. They plan their work and they work their plan, so when they do succeed, others may be surprised with their success, but they themselves are not. It is just what they expected to have happen because they set their plans in place and worked hard to make sure they were successful. You see, unsuccessful people tend to talk big but expect little. They outwardly boast about what they're going to do, but inwardly, their track record tells them they will probably repeat the same failures they've experienced in the past. They often start out strong, but soon start looking for excuses when things do not easily fall into place for them. They truly want to succeed, but do not know how, so they don't really expect to do it. Unsuccessful people can become successful if they would turn the corner on their doubts and start listening to successful people who already know what it takes to win. In truth, the stress and effort that goes into being unsuccessful is often far greater than what it takes to become a success. You see, successful people know that the higher you reach, the more likely you are to succeed. You can fill a few baskets with low-hanging fruit, and it is good to pick it wherever you can find it. But the real goodies are usually higher up on the ladder. That is where the sun shines the brightest and the real nourishment is to be found. Legendary martial arts master and film star Bruce Lee certainly knew what it took to overcome adversity and achieve high expectations. Though small in stature, he never let his size determine his dream. He expected to succeed at what he did, and he taught others to set their goals high if they wanted to reach high in life. You see, he said, "I'm not in this world to live up to your expectations, and you're not in this world to live up to mine." We can learn a lot from Bruce Lee. His achievements are still legendary in the field of martial arts, and the respect that he holds in that community is recognizable of all aspects, and he is the best he could be. What he understood is that others often overlook the power of the human spirit to overcome resistance. He inspired others to learn from the best and then adopt their own approach to their art if they truly wanted to become champions and aspire to be a success. Those are good words and thoughts for anyone who wants to become a success. So always expect to win when you set out to make your mark in life. Your own expectations are what will ultimately determine how much you're willing to invest in the success you desire to achieve.